I'm back. Let's roll that dough. So I took one of the halves and I pushed it into a circle and I flattened it with my hand. Now I've got the rolling pin. You're gonna start on one side and just gently tap it. Then you're gonna tap it the other direction. And just go back and forth until you have a fairly nice circle. Then you're gonna start in the center, roll one way. Start in the center, roll the other way. Start in the center, to the left. Center, right, center, center. Don't worry if the edges don't look beautiful. We'll get there. That's the part we're taking off. So just go ahead and roll it. I've got it between two sheets of plastic wrap, which is, by the way, the easiest way to do this because it's less mess. Then you're just gonna turn your plastic wrap a little bit, quarter turn. And if you have a piece that breaks off like this, don't worry about it, just smush it back in there. Just shake your, mash it back. Okay, we're good. And we're just gonna roll. Roll and roll and just elongate it. And then you're gonna peel off the top layer of the plastic wrap. If I can do it. Okay. So peel that off. Notice it is not a perfect circle, no sweat. You're gonna take your pie pan, place it in the center. This hand is going to lift up the plastic wrap and the other hand is gonna come in the bottom. I spread over my fingers just like this, flip it over. Push it down. You're not trying to mash it. You don't wanna end up with air bubbles. So just gently lift the dough, pushing it against the side of the pie pan. Then this outside layer, you're just gonna come in, just push it off on the edge. So you're just pushing the edge like that, and you're cutting off all the excess. Super easy breezy. At this point, you can go ahead and freeze your pie dough, or you can park it in the refrigerator for a couple days, or you can do what we're gonna do, blind bake it. Okay, so we'll take off all the excess and we'll save that in plastic wrap for something else. I'm gonna go get a fork. And we're gonna get those edges. So we're gonna come in here and just press those down because I like that with pumpkin pie. Now you could flute the edges and all the fancy stuff, but at the end of the day, it doesn't really matter. Okay, I'm gonna give a little fork pricks in here so it doesn't bubble up. I'm gonna take another pan and put it on the top of that one and mash down just a little bit, not crazy hard. Then you're gonna take a half sheet pan and you're going to bake it upside down. You're gonna bake it for about 10 to 15 minutes and then you're gonna flip it back around and take off the top and continue baking the bottom part. Okay, I'll show you. It's going in a 400 degree oven.